Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Adventure and Trails. I know it's quite some time that I have uploaded any video on my YouTube channel. So today I decided to make a video about this new product that I have bought for myself. So this is a tire inflator and the name of the brand is Qubo. It's a Hero Group venture. Okay, seems promising because of the Hero Group. Let's see. So these are its features. This one can produce 150 psi of pressure, and you can preset the required pressure, and this one has a auto cutoff feature as well and a emergency light. And this one comes with 2000 mAh battery. The MRP on the box is 4490 and I bought it for around 3000 from Amazon. So let's unbox it. I have previously opened it because I couldn't resist myself from opening up and checking the product, but I decided to make this unboxing video anyway. So first you will get this user manual and a warranty card. Basically this one comes with a QR code. You have to scan the QR code and you can claim your warranty and read the user manual. I'm sure no one does that. And then so this is the product itself. So the body is made up of completely plastic and the quality of the plastic seems pretty decent to me. It's written maximum output pressure is 150 psi. The charging input is type C, that is you can use this port for charging the device, and the battery capacity is 2000 mAh, and this one has a light at the top so that you can use the torch in case you got stuck in some dark area to find that nozzle of the tube. At the bottom this one has like grill type of texture, so this one has opening as well. I don't know you guys can see or not, this one has a fan inside. So let's turn it up. Okay, so you have to press for 3 seconds to turn it up. The nice thing about this is this one shows the battery percentage remaining on the device, which comes in pretty handy. This one has a plus and minus button to set your desired pressure that you want to refill. This one comes with a mode button as well. So right now it is in bike mode. If you press it, this one is for cycle, this one is for basketball. So this one is for personalization of like a particular PSI that you want to set, and this one has a feature for car as well. Basically these are preset PSI for different vehicles, and if you press the U button for 2 to 3 seconds, turns on the, if you press the U button it changes to bar, kPa, kilogram per centimeter square. So basically the unit changes. Let's see what's inside the box. This one comes with a cute little pouch which will come handy to carry the device. It's written Qubo also. Okay. So this is a Type-C cable and these are different connectors. You can connect various items. And this one is the nozzle, the most important part, because you have to attach this here and this part you have to attach onto the nozzle of the tire. The good part is this part is made up of metal, and let me screw it in. It's written hot in here because it gets quite a bit hot. Say I want to keep the pressure 34.5 psi. So after setting the pressure I have to just press this one. Yes, this one makes quite a loud noise, and yeah, this is it. So I'll be using this device on my recent trip. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more content of my upcoming solo ride.